Want freedom on two wheels without constant repairs? These 7 ultra-reliable motorcycles will keep you on the road, not in the shop. Now here's why the 2026 Z900RS really stands apart. Kawasaki is offering a 5-year no-labor extended warranty because they're that confident in the bike's reliability.
No surprise bills.
No breakdown stress. Just twist, ride, and smile. Even the chain is new, featuring a self-lubricating, dust-resistant finish that doubles its lifespan. And the updated suspension? Fully adjustable with new progressive dampening for 2026, meaning less road shock and more comfort, no matter the terrain. Underneath that retro skin is a liquid-cooled 948 cubic centimeters inline-4 tuned for smooth torque and daily rideability. But here's the kicker. Kawasaki's engineers redesigned key internals using aerospace-grade materials. That means fewer wear points, lower friction, and nearly zero valve adjustments for the first 60,000 kilometers. What if I told you? The legend is back. The beast that ruled the streets of the late 70s and 80s has returned re-engineered, reborn, and practically bulletproof. Welcome to the 2026 Kawasaki Z1300, a machine so refined, you may never worry about repairs again. Fast forward to 2026, and Kawasaki has addressed everything. This is the Z1300 2.0. At its heart, a 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-6 engine, now fully modernized with titanium internals, electronic oil pressure regulation, and integrated heat management systems. This isn't just raw power, it's precision engineering designed to run forever. With Kawasaki's K-IntelliLink, your Z1300 tells you what it needs before it becomes a problem. It syncs with your smartphone, monitors wear on critical components, and even schedules service appointments for you. What if I told you there's a motorcycle that combines timeless retro design, bulletproof engineering, and reliability so good, you might forget what a repair shop looks like? Meet the 2026 Honda GB350, a machine that's not just built to ride, but built to last. In this video, we're diving deep into why this classic-looking beast might just be the most worry-free motorcycle of its generation. Honda's engineers didn't reinvent the wheel with the GB350. They perfected it. At the heart of this motorcycle lies a refined 348 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine. Simple, elegant, and over-engineered like only Honda can.
No turbo. No overcomplicación.
Just old-school mechanical reliability. And in 2026, they've upgraded the valve timing and reduced engine vibration even further, ensuring smoother long rides and lower wear over time. And when it does come time for maintenance, the GB350 is as DIY-friendly as they come. The Z900RS Cafe is more than a bike. It's a bridge between eras. Drawing inspiration from the legendary 1970s Kawasaki Z1, it carries forward the classic teardrop tank, round LED headlight, and elongated tail, wrapped in a sleek half-fairing that screams rockstar on two wheels. But don't let the vintage vibe fool you. Inside, it's bleeding edge. Early adopters are already calling this the most trouble-free cafe racer ever built. No oil leaks, no electrical gremlins. Just start it, ride it, and smile. Underneath the cafe racer fairing lies a 948 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-4, the same rock-solid power plant known for bulletproof performance in the Z family. But Kawasaki didn't stop there. The 2026 model gets revised internal coatings, ceramic-fused pistons, and an all-new eco-smart cooling system that not only improves efficiency but dramatically reduces long-term wear. Yamaha's PG series has always been about practical performance. But for 2026, they've gone all in. The new PG 155 isn't just a refresh, it's a reinvention. Think of it as the everyday rider's dream machine, reliable, fuel-efficient, and built like a tank. Under the seat, the PG 155 packs a refined 155 cubic centimeters Blue-Core FI engine, borrowed from Yamaha's sporty R15 but tuned for smooth power delivery and daily durability. With 15 horsepower and variable valve actuation, VVA, you get brisk city performance and highway confidence, all while sipping fuel at nearly 50 to 55 km/L. Yamaha tuned the suspension perfectly, soft enough to soak up city potholes, yet taut enough to carve corners. The upright riding posture, split seats, and wide handlebars give it commuter comfort without the boredom. You'll actually enjoy your ride to work. Back in the late 70s and early 80s, the Yamaha RD400LC was a purebred street rocket. Lightweight, punchy, and rebellious, it defined a generation of two-stroke fans. But with age came fragility until now. Yamaha didn't just revive the RD400LC, they re-engineered it from the inside out. Classic soul, modern bones. And the result? A machine that retains its fire-breathing character without the oil-leaking tantrums. The heart is an all-new 399 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke parallel twin, built with Yamaha's cutting-edge reliability tech. It delivers 56 horsepower, 38 lb-ft of torque, and a sound that will raise the dead, that signature two-stroke brap, now cleaner and crisper. From the very first glance, the CB1000F SE screams aggressive elegance, a fusion of neo-retro muscle and 21st century precision. This machine is sculpted to impress without being flashy. The signature LED matrix headlight now comes with adaptive cornering tech, framed by minimalist aluminum fairings and deep matte titanium paint with crimson accents. Exclusive to the SE at its core is Honda's revamped 998 cubic centimeters inline 4, refined from its Fireblade heritage. But for 2026, the engineers added diamond-like carbon, DLC coatings, self-cleaning hydraulic tensioners, and aerospace-grade gaskets. Why? Because they're aiming for a 100,000-kilometer engine life with virtually zero breakdowns. This isn't marketing fluff. Honda's internal testing shows the new power plant runs smoother at 60,000 kilometers than some competitors do fresh off the lot. From IP67 rated connectors to the sealed electronic control unit and corrosion-resistant frame coating tested in salt chambers, this machine is designed for global punishment. Desert, rain, city gridlock, or track days, it just keeps going.